press 1.
I am in Guildford today because I'm going to a blogger breakfast for any of you who, I know I've got quite a few of you who live in and around Guildford, the Surrey area in the UK. If you didn't know this, the Ivy they have opened a restaurant in Guildford. If you live in this area, you will know they already have one in Cobham, which I haven't been able to go to. My friends have, and they're like, you've got to go in there, it's so good. Anyway, I've just parked the car, and have I got everything? Do I? I think I do. 15 minutes early, which is always good. I really want some moisturiser. I'm not in my own car today. Well, I'm in the pool car, shall I call it? Well, I'm in the Fiesta because the car parks in Guildford are really narrow, and I didn't want to bring my car and then curb all the wheels up trying to get in. You know those car parks where they were like built in the 1970s, and the way that you go in is really high concrete curbs either side that are really narrow, and you've got to like meander your way through. It's kind of a bit like that where I'm parked. So I didn't do that. And I don't have hand cream in here, just body cream, so that'll have to do. I'm so early, the shops aren't even open, but this is pretty handy for me because after this I've actually got a meeting in Guildford. I work quite a lot in Guildford, and it was handy because this is happening, hopefully it will only be like an hour or something, and then I can go straight off to what I'm doing after. But look, it's closed. I tell you what, this has changed. So the Ivy, for any of you who know Guildford, or maybe if you don't, do you remember the Tunsgate area? And it was always a bit of a dead space, there was not really a lot in here. They have completely changed it. A lot of the shops don't look like they're in just yet, but the Ivy is at the upstairs. And then down there is where Heels used to be, the interior shop. Yeah, it looks quite nice, they've done a good job. Let's go in. I have zero idea who's going to be at this, by the way. Hopefully some people I know. For anyone who cares, I'm going to show you what I've ordered. I have got eggs Benedict with salmon, and I'm on gluten free at the moment because, let me just tell you, my stomach's killing me at the moment with the wheat. And I've got a green juice. They've given us some of this, which is gluten-free organic granola, which looks nice. I thought they were going to. Yeah. We've just had our breakfast and we have been invited to go and have a look round. And I thought, apparently, and I thought particularly for any of you fellow Surrey-based people, oh, there's people up here. I thought you might be interested to see this. This is the upstairs area. The view is incredible. Look at the bar. Oh, wow. It's very much, sorry you're zoomed in. Let me zoom you back out. You're in even more. It's very much got its own vibe that makes it a bit different to Cobham and also Chelsea Garden, but it still looks like the Ivy, but it just looks really nice. Can you believe it? I've been in Guildford like most of my life and I've never been up the Guildford Castle, but that is it. I went out last night, and also, do you remember I think the last video I did that you're gonna see, or might have seen, or maybe you haven't, is I did a haul video and I bought some new pillows from the White Company. I slept on them last night and my neck is killing me. I got one of these memory foam ones, which I haven't tried before, and it was like sleeping on a brick, and I woke up and my neck's killing me and I feel like I'm just so tired. The plan today is as such. I'm gonna go into the next room actually because I need to clean up around here. Honestly, look at the state of it in here. Can you see everything down here, including that orange basket? I don't normally get involved. When I work on a project, I do not get involved when it comes to photography, but I'm working on something at the moment This is all part of it. This is just like props and stuff like that. In that project, I've nominated myself to be designated photographer, which is kind of yet another job that I have to do. But anyway, I'm going to, I'm actually going to put you there for the sake of this. Right, excuse the mess in the background, you know why that is, I've just told you. I thought that what I would do is, and I hope this is fun, kind of, but I thought I'd show you some cool things at the moment that I've been carrying around with me in my bag that have been really good and I thought you might be interested in. I have gone back to using this bag, which I haven't used in ages. This is the Chanel Boy. I got this in 2014 and I've spoken about it before because it has not worn very well at all. However, the benefit to that is it's one of those bags that I use now and I really don't worry about it. So that's been quite nice. I've been using that a lot. I'm so tired, I can hardly even sit here and talk. How am I going to do the gym? I'm just hoping the gym's going to wake me up a bit. My plan is I'm going to go there, have a double espresso, then do the gym. I would take some of those green tea tablets. Do you remember several years ago, maybe not even several years ago, I used to always talk about those green tea tablets that you can get from this like fitness place that I shop from. They are incredible. I used to take 2 before I worked out. Haven't taken them in a while because I ran out and then I forgot to get more, but I could do with some of those. God, there's all these mosquitoes outside that window. My God, there's loads of them. They're like up against the glass. Glad they're not getting in. Right, what was I just saying? Okay, some things that I've been using recently that have been really good. The reason why I thought about this in the first place is because of this. I didn't even know this was a thing. DIOR sent me this, and that's not why I'm talking about it. I'm talking about it because I've been using it a lot recently and it's actually quite good. But they have started doing these roll-on perfumes. This is one that they sent me called Poison Girl a couple of years ago, and in fact my mum uses it. Is, what's that one? Something poison, and it's in like a red apple shape and it smells like marzipan vanilla. What was that called? Something poison. Anyway, this one is a lot more fruity and younger. It's still got the same, I want to say, heaviness as the original Poison, but it's a lot more fruity. It's kind of heavy, but it's light at the same time. I always found that that original Poison perfume, although it was really nice, if you put on a bit too much of it, could be like a tad oppressive. This has got the same depth, but it's not as intense, shall we say. This is really handy to keep in your bag because it's got a twist off lid and on the end it's got a rollerball. They also do this same format in Miss Dior. It's like a gel, it's not like a liquid, because I thought, oh, that's going to be like a liquid perfume, and it's not. Oh, it does smell nice. So that's been the first thing that I've been using a lot. And the other things have been, I keep everything in one of these because then when I change my bag, which I guess I do quite a lot, I can just lift the whole thing out and then everything is in one place. Anyone who has a fixed brace, these are really good. I kept finding that I have a fixed brace on the back of my teeth, and whenever I go out and I eat, this is gross, but if you have a brace, you'll know what I mean. You go out and you eat, stuff gets stuck in it. It's disgusting, but it's true. I wanted to get some dental sticks to carry around with me, so I got those that I got on Amazon. This has been a lipstick that I've been wearing for like the last week solidly, although I don't actually have it on today. This is from Charlotte Tilbury and it's this Hollywood Lips, which I think is a new thing. Don't you think that ring light behind me, it looks like I've got a halo above my head? If only. Yeah, so this is Hollywood Lips and it is in the colour Rising Star, a nudie pink colour. When I first tried it, I was like, do I like that? Because it kind of pulls slightly coral. But what I do with it is I use a brown coloured lip liner. What have I been using? MAC Whirl, and then I put that over the top. This is really good because it's got a matte finish. It does not dry though. It doesn't dry down into a crispy lipstick, but it looks really matte. It's, if you purse your lips when you're wearing it, you can feel that it's still liquid, it just looks like it's very dry when it's not. Is this just like so boring? I hope this isn't boring. I also carry tissues with me. I'm really sorry. I feel so rubbish. This is why I'm the biggest lightweight. I had 2 drinks. No, I had 1.5. That's all I had, and I feel like this. Like I could sleep for 100 years. That's why I'm trying to blame as much on the pillow as I possibly can and not on the drink. Honestly, can you believe it? 2 other things. First of all, these headphones. I've had so many of you asking where I got them from. They are Pearl headphones, and I use these. You can't actually use them on the iPhone 10 because they've taken the plug out. So that doesn't work underneath. They've changed the plug. So now you can only buy, you've got to buy like a jack basically that goes in there. Can you believe it? Thanks Apple for that. That's really annoying. But I carry these because I use them on my laptop when I take my laptop out. These are actually a prototype because I was thinking about selling them on my website. I already sell these little bags, which are just really inexpensive. You can chuck them in the washing machine, but they are a catch-all for everything. And I thought that these would be quite sweet, but I'm just testing them at the moment. The sound quality is really good. The only issue is that bit at the end. If you have got a newer iPhone, that's not going to work out. So that's kind of where I've got to with that. Now the battery is flashing at me. I'm just going to get another battery. Oh, brilliant. I don't have... Oh, God. What is happening today? I don't have any more batteries. Seriously, what the hell is going on? I had so many things that I wanted to talk to you about. Did I? I can't even remember. My brain, I'm having one of those days. I need to go and have an espresso. I'm gonna go to the gym. I might go to HomeSense after the gym if I can actually take it, and if I do, I will film it for you. If you don't see that after this, then I didn't make it. I would like to know if there are any specific videos that you would like to see. I've had a lot of you asking for interior decor videos. I am planning on doing one, but I'm not going to do it yet because you know that we went to Harrods in February and ordered some furniture. Well, it's still not here yet because it's going to take like something crazy like 12 weeks to make or something. So I don't actually have it yet. As soon as it's all in, I'm going to film it. And I'm just going to wait until that's here and then I'll do everything at the same time. Like I'll film all the different bits. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go and die somewhere.